How to add your phone number on Skype mobile. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add your phone number on Skype mobile. First you're gonna do is go to Skype and then click on your profile here to go to settings, and now click this one, settings, and then click account and profile, and now all you need to do just click your profile here and then just wait, and now go down and you will find this one here, add phone number. Just click here and add your phone number, and then just click save changes. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.